Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to send Slack notification for new subscriber in Sendy. So in this video we will learn how you can integrate these two applications in such a way that whenever a subscriber is created in Sendy, then automatically a notification message will be sent to your Slack channel. For this you can create a complete automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where our trigger will be new subscriber in Sendy and our action will be to send channel message in Slack channel. Let us learn how to do that. So let us learn that how you can send Slack notifications for every new subscriber that will be added to your Sendy. Now let us begin by signing in into our account so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, which will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will be able to see a big blue button on your right side where it is written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send Slack Notifications for New Subscribers on Sendy. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. You will be able to see Trigger and Action, the two major modules of Pabbly Connect on which the complete automation runs. Before that, make sure you open up the applications which are supposed to be integrated. Like here we have Sendy and Slack. We are going to integrate Sendy and Slack with each other, and first of all we will be connecting them with Pabbly Connect, and also we need them to make the required changes for this workflow. Now as you can see, trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that the application which will be here as trigger application will have an event take place, and that event will trigger this workflow, causing the action application to perform the assigned action. So when that event happens, action will do this. So trigger over here is Sendy, because the beginning will start from here only. From Sendy subscriber will be created. So we will choose the trigger event as new subscriber. Okay, as soon as somebody subscribes to Sendy, then this workflow will start running, and the action application is Slack. So a message will be sent to your team on Slack in any specific channel that you choose that a new subscriber has been added. So you can choose the event over here as send channel message. So this is the basis of your workflow. Let us begin with the trigger application. As I mentioned that we will be connecting both the applications, which is Sendy and Pabbly Connect, so that whenever a new subscriber is created over here, then the data related to that subscriber has to be sent to your workflow, and it will be brought over here as a webhook response. Now why is it called the webhook response? Because this webhook URL, which is provided to us by Pabbly Connect, is responsible for bringing that response. We will integrate both the applications with the help of this URL. We will copy it from here and paste it somewhere in Sendy so that it will bring the data related to that newly added subscriber. With the help of these instructions, we are going to integrate. So let us begin. First of all, copy it from here. And see, as soon as you copy it, it starts waiting for a response, which means that the integration has started. Go to your Sendy, select your brand, and here go to rules from your left panel. Here you have to create a new rule. Now rule is for what will happen if this specific event takes place. So the new rule is for subscription on subscribe, in which list if a subscriber is added in any of this list. Let us say this list we are saying. Okay, so what to do? Trigger the webhook. Which webhook? The one we copied from here and paste it here as well. Okay, so on subscription in this specific list, what to do? Trigger the webhook. Which webhook? This webhook. Okay, click on add and it is added. Okay, this is your integration over here. Now since it is waiting for a response, we have done the integration, but we have to do a sample submission. Let us create a sample subscriber. Go to view all list and choose the list you have created the integration for. Okay, now here you will find subscribe form. Click on that form and copy this link from here. Paste it in an incognito window. And this is the form for joining this list. Okay, so I will enter the details of the new person over here and the email address. This is basically a form that you use to add the subscription. Subscribe to list and see you are subscribed. Let's go back to Sendy. Okay, close this one and let us go and check our workflow, and here we have the response. See, we have created a subscription in this specific list and it has been added over here. This is the name we added, an email address, and 24 seconds ago it was added and subscribed. Okay, using this subscription form, and we have received the response. Here we have that trigger is subscribe, the name of the person and the email address of this person. Now since we have a new subscription, let us send a notification on Sendy to our team. Now there is no filter required over here because we have specifically chosen the situation as new subscriber added. Okay, so here in Slack, already these are selected, the event is selected. Let us connect Slack to Pabbly Connect so that Pabbly Connect can send this information that we have received from the trigger application to Slack channel. Add new connection and connect with Slack. Now you have to enter a token type over here. So token types are two, either user or bot. To learn more about it, click on this here button and you will be taken to the forum.pabbly.com page. Here you will understand the difference between the two tokens. If you enter user over there, you will be allowed to perform these actions, and if you enter bot, then you will be allowed these. And because we want to send channel message with or without image, both options are available for bot, we will enter over here bot and click on save, and just you have to allow by clicking on allow over here and give access to Pabbly Connect. The connection is successful, and now you will see you will get a choice to choose your channel. Like I have many channels over here. I can choose any one of them for these notifications. Let us say new task is the one I want to send these notifications to. So let's go back to our workflow and choose new task from here. If you want, you can scroll down like this and find, either you can type over here as well. Now this is the channel name I have selected. Let us draft a message over here. Now I have given the new subscription added to Sendy as the title over here. The name and email sections are here, and we will map the name and email over here. Now what is mapping? Mapping is basically taking the data from the previous step and mapping it or placing it over here. Because if I type something over here, this what I have already typed will always be same. This is not going to change. But by mapping, we are basically connecting the locations of two places. Like whatever response we received over here in the trigger response, whatever email address is here, every time with the new subscription, this is going to change. And because I will be mapping it, then this will also be updated with every new subscription. So map that from this drop down menu given over here, open it, and this is the name. Similarly, open this and map the email address. Okay, so you can draft this message or compose this message according to your own requirement. It's all up to you. Then image URL, first of all, not required. Secondly, we don't have an URL over here. And similarly, nothing else is left. Simply click on save and send test request. And see, we have a response from Slack which says that the message is sent, and OK means one work is done. One message is sent. Scroll down the complete response and check for any errors. If there is no error, it says that our workflow has been a success. Let us close this module over here, and this is what the workflow looks like. Let us go to Slack and check, have we received the message or not. Here we have the message in our channel, new task, new subscription added to Sendy, the name of the person and the email address, which means that this workflow works. And whenever a new subscription will be added to Sendy, then in Slack channel, a message will be sent. So it is like, it's very specific that when in this list, okay, the list that we have chosen where we have created the integration, which is PabCon, here one subscriber will be added, then in this specific list or channel of your Slack will the message be sent. So let us do this in real time. Let us add one more subscriber over here from the subscription form. So I have given the name and email address of this person, subscribe to list, and it is done. Let us go back, close this one, and now we will go and check our Slack. And here we have the new message, new subscription added to Sendy, the name of the person and email address. And this is the same as our person over here that we have recently created using that form 1 minute ago, and we have received the message in Slack as well. So this is the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.